Hello everyone, and welcome to another art tutorial with Udocreatives. In this video, we're going to use Adobe Illustrator to show how to draw a gingerbread man. Before watching this video, please make sure to watch our short video titled, How to Create Objects, Shadows and Highlights in Adobe Illustrator. Also watch our short video titled, How to Outline Compound Shapes in Adobe Illustrator. Both these videos touch on some of the concepts we will visit here. I added the links to both of them in the description for you. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to Udocreatives for more art content. First, draw a circle for the head using the Shape tool. Next, draw half of the body by using the Pen tool. If you don't know how we are achieving the curves, again, please make sure to watch our video on how to create objects, shadows, and highlights. Follow closely for this step. It can be a little tricky. Don't worry about lines overlapping for now. We will clean those up later. Next, duplicate the half gingerbread man and translate it. This is why we worked on half earlier. This saves us some time. Next, we will combine the shapes where necessary. To do this, select the shapes and use the Pathfinder tool's Unite Shape mode. Now, we can start adding features. I'll start with the face. For the eyebrow, I used the Pen tool and adjusted the border. For the eyes, I used the Shape tool to create a circle. For the mouth, I did the same as with the eyebrows. I'll use the Shape and Pen tools for the bow tie. Only a half bow tie for now. More circles for the buttons. Next, for spirals, I'll use the Pen tool and adjust the border thickness. Only half again for now. I'll make some adjustments around. For the spirals, I am translating them, but you can just drag and adjust. Next, I'll thicken my main border. Now we can start coloring. Remember, you can color your gingerbread man however you want to. Art is all about freedom of expression. You're also free to just copy my colors as well. Let's focus on the bow tie a bit. Here I am adding shadows on our bow tie. Again, our video on how to create objects, shadows and highlights in Adobe Illustrator shows how to achieve this shadow and highlight effect. Adding good shadows and highlights helps you achieve a three-dimensional look. I'm making minor adjustments here. Now, we want to thicken the outline border on the bow tie. Again, our video titled, How to Outline Compound Shapes in Adobe Illustrator, shows the full process of how I went through this step of outlining my bow tie. I'm making minor adjustments here. We have now illustrated how to draw a gingerbread man. Remember that practice is key to improving on your art journey, so do not feel discouraged if you do not get it right the first time. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to experiment with different tools and shapes to see what effects you can create. Please like this video and subscribe to Udocreatives for more art content.